If we now open core.php file, which you'll find inside of the library SSD folder, and right at the top of the file, we're going to specify what namespace our core file belongs to. Obviously, it's the SSD, so namespace SSD. And now system knows that this specific core file belongs to the SSD namespace, and whenever we're going to be using use SSD /core, system will know where to point to. Now, up to this point, we've been loosely using the naming for our properties and methods. In a programming environment, there's a certain rule for all this. Public properties are simply defined without the underscore, and the underscore is reserved for private and protected properties and methods. And because in this series we're going to be going through all of the files we've created in this series, this is a good time to obviously rename all of them while we go through all of these files. First of all, obviously we need to remove the meta keywords. As we've removed this field from a database, it's no longer going to be used within the system. I've explained the reason why, because obviously all of the major search engines now dropped support for it. So there's no point in having this at all. Now for public meta title, we remove the underscore. Same for the public meta description. And another thing we need to do is to add, after the object navigation, we're going to add another public object currency, which is going to be a new object we're going to create soon, the new class. And inside of the constructor, if I scroll down a little bit, and after the object navigation instantiation, we're going to go for this object currency equals new currency. We haven't got this object yet. We'll create it in the next video.